so fine. Nothing like the ordinary. Nothing like. What's good? What's great, everybody? It's your girl, J Queen, and I come to you with the experiences, the essentials, the everyday encounters, and all of that extra So today, I have me a guest, and we're going to do some skincare reviews. Okay, so let's get this started, you guys. First, I'm going to show you my exfoliating scrub that I am using. It is in the description below. And we're going to start out by getting a cleansing of his skin through exfoliation. Okay, so I'm going to scrub his skin generously, you guys. There are beads in this exfoliating scrub, and they are there for a reason. So you can actually get a deep cleansing of your skin. So while y'all are looking at this, let's talk, you guys. As far as my black men, do you find that it's very important for you to take care of your skin? Have you ever had skin problems? For him being a light-skinned male, acne was something that was actually, very prevalent when he was younger. And even now with having a beard, he still had typical issues. He still has hot spot areas just like women do. And that's in the bridge of his nose, underneath his eyes, and above his lip, like right where his mustache is. And I did speed this video up, you guys, but make sure you are taking time and taking special care of your skin. Take the time that you need with it, and make sure this is something that you feel relaxed while doing. Okay, you guys, so immediately after scrubbing that into your skin, you're going to go ahead and get that product off of your skin. This is not something that you have to let sit or anything like that. I usually exfoliate actually in the shower since it's something I can do immediately. If you do want to let it sit for a little bit, make sure you monitor your skin and how your reaction is to it. Just as much as I did with the previous women's video, make sure you are getting your spot areas. And by that, I mean the places where oils usually actually capture in your face or where you get direct sunlight. So maybe that's going to be on your cheeks, on your forehead. You're going to see me actually touch bases on those multiple times. If you are outside often, if you have a very laborious job, if you work out and you sweat excessively, if you have a beard that you put different products in, or if you are just a man that likes to take care of your skin. Either way, I always recommend cleansing your skin very often because there are different things that can get trapped inside your pores, and cleansing your skin is important for males as well. Do y'all remember my clay mask by MawDazzled? Well, guess what? It is for men as well. It's not something that's just for females. So right now you're going to see me wetting his face to go ahead and apply the amount of product generously. And as I explained in my women's video, yes, I do actually put product on top of the brows and on top of the stash, and only because there are pores behind your hair follicles, you guys. So they actually are trapped with different oils as well. If you think about it, we shampoo and we condition our hair, so I don't feel like that this is any different. Now, if you are using something with very strong chemicals and it's not as natural as the product that I'm using, then use that to your discretion. That is completely different. I like to apply a generous amount of product and his mask after it was finished and after it's set for a minute. I'm just gonna get a little messy, okay? So So yes, I am extra. Just like when I go somewhere else, when I do facials at home, I go all out with it, you guys. I actually leave my mask on for an extended amount of time. You can get you some wine, some popcorn. You can watch whatever in between this. This is something you can actually let sit for a minute, and then go after that and make sure you're cleansing your product generously and well, making sure as much product as you put on your face. Make sure you're getting all of that product off of your face. Guys, males have just as much complex and compound issues with their skin as females do. In my females video, I wasn't able to actually get more of a close-up representation of exfoliation and for the mask for benefits for the skin. But as you can see, there is not much of a difference that I actually did for me as a female that I do for a male. A very important tip, like I said, is always to get the product completely off your skin. And not only that, y'all, when y'all actually exfoliate, one of the issues people say, oh, it caused acne and caused other problems, is because most of the time when you exfoliate and you're cleansing your skin, it's actually bringing out the different products that you had already in there. Not only that, be careful what you place on your skin after you've taken treatment. So, putting a bunch of compact oils on your skin and even the makeup that you use, you have to actually realize that you just opened up your pores, and so you're actually putting those things automatically on there. So you can get a clearer view. Look how open his pores are, you guys. So you have to be careful of anything that you're actually placing on your face after that, or what you do after that, because your pores are open. I am going to leave the product descriptions below, but if you have any questions or you need some skincare tips, just holler at your girl.
Hello, Queen's Corner fans out there. Your boy just got his facial. My apologies. Let me introduce myself. My name is Trinity. Go by Trim. Um, yeah, just got a clay facial for the first time, and it felt absolutely great. I've had facials multiple times. You know, I like to take care of my skin, and guys, facials are not just for women. So you like your skin, you like to take care of your skin, you want smooth, clean skin, get yourself a facial. Like, it's awesome. You guys will love it. Get your friend girls to do it, get your girlfriends, your wives, even do it yourself. So don't think it's just a feminine thing, because men's get facials too. Thank
you. So we just came to y'all with a little skincare review for women
and for men.
Okay, so to wrap this thing up, we think that's it, and we think that's lit. Holla at y'all later.